The element of student direction draws attention to when it's helpful to give students some control over some aspects of their learning. Will it enrich student learning to give them some choice within the activity, control over the pace at which they work, or the total time spent on an activity, or even input into the criteria by which they'll be assessed? For example, in an English lesson, students might be asked to respond to the themes of bullying, friendship, or family from the perspective of the main character in a text chosen by the teacher. The task might sound open because students get to choose which theme they write about. But the task here has been set by the teacher. The students don't have control over the task itself. Some students might not relate to the story or be able to connect their own experiences to those of the main character. If instead they could choose any text that explores the identified concepts, they're more likely to engage with the task and produce better quality work. It's useful to think about what the task is designed to produce. What are the students supposed to learn? Is it specific to that text? Otherwise, giving them choice might help them engage in learning and develop a deeper understanding of the key concepts of the lesson or unit. On the other hand, sometimes student direction is appropriately low. For example, when using machinery in a workshop, students need to follow very precise directions, such as wearing appropriate protective equipment and only activating the machines when directed. The point is that sometimes the nature of the lesson doesn't allow for high student direction. So particularly when there are safety concerns, student direction could be on the low side. On the other hand, student direction will be higher and students are likely to be more engaged when they have some control over their learning.